What is build models using TensorFlow? How famous is it in the software field? How fast can you learn it? What are the job opportunities based on this in India and abroad? What about the earnings? These are some of the burning questions that we will be diving into in this video. Build models using TensorFlow is a powerful framework for developing machine learning models, widely used in the software industry for various applications. The demand for professionals skilled in build models using TensorFlow is skyrocketing, making it a popular choice among software developers and data scientists. Learning build models using TensorFlow can be relatively fast for individuals already familiar with programming languages like Python. In India, companies are actively seeking professionals proficient in build models using TensorFlow, offering lucrative job opportunities in fields like artificial intelligence, data science, and machine learning. Abroad, the job market for build models using TensorFlow experts is equally promising, with multinational companies looking to hire skilled professionals for cutting-edge projects. The earnings potential for individuals specializing in build models using TensorFlow is substantial, both in India and abroad, with competitive salaries and lucrative perks for experienced professionals. Now that you have a better understanding of build models using TensorFlow, consider delving into this exciting field to explore the numerous career opportunities it offers.